Master the future of mobility with the EV Trainer. Electric vehicles are taking over the roads. Are you ready to keep up? With the EV Trainer, you'll gain hands-on experience in EV technology in a safe and practical way. Designed for first responders, mechanics and automotive students, the EV Trainer provides realistic training on key EV components, including the HV battery, DC-DC converter, onboard charger and service plug. Its modular design allows you to explore how an EV is built and how it functions, preparing you for safe maintenance, incident management and EV diagnostics. For educators, we offer a key user package featuring a complete workshop curriculum of 2 to 2.5 hours. Want to experience the EV Trainer yourself? Contact us today and explore the future of electric mobility. Total Safety Solutions, driving innovation forward.